Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by linking the card in your Apple Wallet to Venmo so you can move funds. Open Venmo, go to Settings, then Payment Methods, tap Add Bank or Card, and select the Apple Pay card or wallet entry. When you add it, Venmo or your bank may ask you to verify with a code or small temporary charge. This proves ownership. Once verified, you're ready to fund transfers. Make sure your Apple ID and Venmo account use the same billing details to avoid holdups. Now focus on moving money from Apple Pay Cash into Venmo. Open Apple Wallet and confirm Apple Cash balance, then choose a transfer method. Send to your bank linked to Venmo or use Apple Pay to pay a trusted friend who will Venmo you back. Remember, Venmo enforces weekly and per transaction limits. Check your current limits in settings. If you need instant access, enable instant transfer to your bank for a fee. Once done, monitor pending statuses in both apps. Finish by verifying the money landed in Venmo. Refresh the app and check your balance or activity feed. If you used an intermediary friend, confirm they sent the Venmo payment. If funds aren't visible, make sure the Apple Pay card remained verified and that names, address, and DOB match between services. Mismatches cause holds. If a transfer failed, retry after confirming limits and network. If still stuck, gather the transaction ID and contact Venmo or Apple support for escalation with those details ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.